Come to you from New York, USA.
Okay.
It's a pity because there no one don't know how to teach me how to do blouse jobs.
Don't worry, I know.
But how to start? I don't know how to start with this subject. What it is?
Okay, this is banana. You have to think this is a big cock. Okay?
It's not big cock.
But it is, you think, imagination. It's a big cock.
But it's just 16 centimeters.
Yes, okay, that's fine. Let's say normal cock. Normal cock, okay? I'm Arabic. We have small cocks. Okay?
Let's start.
But what if I... Ooh, like this?
Yes, very good. And now, you have to show me how will you do it.
But
Okay?
I never tried to do
Yes,
it in
I
my
know.
life.
Show me how will you do it, and then you explain.
It's helped me in my life if I don't know how to do blouse jobs.
Obviously, yes.
Why?
Because you find rich men. Rich men, very rich.
Very rich
Yes,
man. I will buy Ferraris.
Yes, Ferrari, Lamborghini, everything.
Ferrari.
Yes. Don't speak and listen.
Lamborghini.
Yes. It's not like this. Come on, let me see. Ah, much better.
House on Maldini. Maldini house.
Yes, also. No. You're going down.
Apartment in Roma.
No.
Roma apartment.
If you do like this, just Fiat Panda.
100
better.
100 pair of shoes. Red shoes.
Maybe.
Dresses.
Maybe. Let me see. No. Ferrari. Yes. Oh, Lamborghini as well. Yes. Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. But no, you cannot just do with mouth. You have to use also and some hands.
I said I eat it. Yes.
No, this is the hand. When yes. Okay, let's say I take it. Okay.
Yes.
Look. Okay. Look. Yes. More you go.
First Ferrari and then banana. Or not banana.
No, not
Something
banana.
else. What else?
Lamborghini.
If I will eat banana like this, I will have Lamborghini.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Let's see how much can you go inside? Oh yes, like this. Oh yes, and then something like this. Oh come on, you're eating the thing. Oh fuck! What did you do? That's not good, guys.
If some man will live with me, and if he will go out with some woman, I will do the same.
Yes, but not good.
Why not if he sleep with other it's perfect.
It's not good, this, okay? You're not going to have Lamborghini or Ferrari. It's good like this.
I want something better.
What?
Lamborghini, it's not actual now. We have some new cars, not just Lamborghini cars.
What you want?
I want $1 million.
But you don't have $5 million. Is you something like this? You have
I'm
to
not
suck it better.
sucking. I'm just eating.
Yes, you're crazy. You're fucking crazy. You cannot eat dick of a guy. You cannot.
How?
You have to suck
But if
it.
I try, no one don't try to eat it. Just blow job, and I will eat.
There must be the reason why everyone do blowjob and not eating dicks. That's wrong. I'm teacher.
I
No,
never did it in my life.
we are here to teach you, but you're not applying yourself.
Try again.
No, this is fucking small. You need a new one.
No.
Okay.
How you...
And it's broken as well. Look what did you do? It's blooding everywhere. It's fucking blooding everywhere. It seems normal to you? Look this thing.
I never be successful in love job. My life is broken.
Yes, because you need to
Never
try again and again.
Never Ferrari.
Okay, don't worry. Tonight we're going out. We find very good men for you, and you try blowjob with me. Okay?
Push me. And push me. Satisfaction.
I'm teacher. I cannot do it with students. I'm sorry.
Push me. I don't push me.
Schatje, dit hem al.